Hello, this is David Meek with All Pro Mortgage Advisors Group, powered by U Mortgage, based here in Louisville, Kentucky. The purpose of this video is pretty simple. It's to introduce what's called the All-in-One Loan by CMG Home Loans. CMG is a lender partner of U Mortgage. U Mortgage, of course, is a brokerage. And CMG has created this fairly unique program called the All-in-One Loan. And I have found from experience the last few weeks talking to people in the industry, both realtors and lenders, that very few people have actually heard of this program, and those that have heard of it don't understand it very well. At least that's the most common experience I've had so far. And I'm recording this video really just to tee up a couple of other introductory videos that CMG has produced. So I'm not going to go into great detail about the program in this particular recording. For today's purpose, let me just give you a quick introduction to what you're going to see in the next slides here. The first is a commercial actually that CMG has produced. It's a little bit cheesy, but it's kind of funny, and it does a pretty good job of, in a comical way, introducing the concepts of how this mortgage is different from a traditional fixed rate, amortized 30-year mortgage. And then the second video is a testimonial from someone who's actually had the mortgage, and he shares about his experience for him and his wife. And that's it. At the very end, we'll have have a slide with my contact information. But without further ado, let me start the video.
Your mortgage is stuck in the past.
Why do we even have 30-year mortgages? I mean, do we even know anyone who's actually paid off their mortgage?
I heard Jimmy's grandpa almost lived to 30.
I'm sure someone will reinvent it.
Someone already did. Meet the All-in-One Loan by CMG Home Loans, an evolution in mortgages that's giving borrowers more control of their home equity, interest payments, and payoff timing. A traditional mortgage is really just a simple repayment plan and is a good option for some, but for the majority of people, most payments go towards interest and not your principal. So the bank gets more out of your mortgage than you.
That's 4 for the bank. I mean interest, and 1 for you.
But what if you could get more from your mortgage? A mortgage, if you will?
I'd say, yeah. I yabba dabba do want to know more.
The All-in-One Loan from CMG is the first of its kind, combining the home financing you need with a uniquely designed checking account.
You can do that?
It's basically the best combination since sticks and rocks. When you deposit money into your All-in-One Loan checking account, your principal's lowered by the full amount that you just deposited.
Awooga.
And what about the interest?
Your interest is computed nightly, based on your lower principal balance, and totaled after the month ends. And that means all the money you put in your All-in-One Loan checking account helps you save on interest.
So my income can help me pay my loan off faster and save interest just by making deposits?
Bingo! You probably earn more in 5 years than you owe on your whole mortgage. The All-in-One is a powerful resource that makes your money work smarter.
What if I want to take money out of the account?
You can use your money at any time, 24/7, for up to 30 years. For things like your kid's college tuition, or an investment in a vacation rental, or a cave renovation.
Man cave. New kitchen.
Or buying a bigger cave. With the All-in-One Loan, you'll have access to your money whenever you need, just like your traditional checking account, but not like your traditional mortgage. Click the link to stop over.
My name's Dean Anderson. We were married in 1994. That same year we bought our first house together. And it wasn't much, but we knew that we wanted to own and not pay rent. We were comfortable enough to buy our second home and bought a vacation home in the year 2000. What we realized is that we were lowering our rate and lowering our payment, which was good, and we were comfortable in that respect. We just knew that we weren't getting rid of the debt. I saw an ad in a newspaper about an all-in-one. It really piqued my interest. I remember telling my wife about it, like, hey, this is a pretty cool program. She said, nah, I wouldn't waste your time. It seems too good to be true. I just couldn't really get it out of my head about this program about buying down debt. A year later, I was on a business trip with an associate, and he told me that he was on the All-in-One. And I said, hey, I've heard of this. I've been to their website. And he goes, oh, it's been great for our family. We're paying down debt, feeling comfortable enough. And my wife was confident that this is what we wanted to do. Began the proceedings to get 2 all-in-one set up on 2 different houses. I think the neatest feature of the all-in-one is you have the power to use your house as a checkbook and to buy what you want when you need it, while also having the discipline trying to stay within the means and your goals that your family has financially. But this was going to be, we thought, really confusing, and what it turned out to be was very easy. We're just like balancing our checkbook. We were writing our normal bills, and we were making more than we were spending, and that was just driving the debt down. Once we realized how clean and simple it was, we actually preferred the new style better than the old style. Our realtor is the wife of the gentleman that turned us on to the all-in-one.
I'm Jennifer Tovey, here in Federal Way, Washington, and I'm a realtor with Windermere. I met Dean and Jessica, or Jessie, Anderson through a referral of my husband.
We just simply were looking for the right house for our family in the right neighborhood, and she knew that once we found it, we could literally write a check out of our program. So it made it really good knowing that she knew about it because she was personally on it as well with her family.
I did a development project and just wrote a check off my mortgage. My son has the same loan. He paid off his loan in 8 years. Then he could leverage it and buy another house.
We'd paid off over 80% of our debt within just over 6 years. When we modeled it, we thought we could possibly do it in 9 years. We ended up with our dream home that we've renovated, plus a second beach home, all because of the all-in-one.
Because you don't pay your bills all in one day. So that money sits in your regular checking account earning no interest at all. But if you put it into your mortgage, you're buying the mortgage principal down. And so for those days that money sits in there, you're paying less. At first it's like it's too good to be true. It's just something that's not really that well known in our market.
I would absolutely recommend the all-in-one. I would be even willing to give my phone number out and tell someone, give me a call, and I would say, get on this loan because it's done amazing things for our family.
Well, there you have it. There's my contact information. Scan that QR code. That'll take you to a digital business card. That is the quick intro videos from CMG Home Loans. Like I say, I think they did a good job. I fully expect that you probably have some questions. So please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Contact information, like I say, is there on the screen. I would love to set up an appointment. Anyway, I don't want to take any more time to talk. Thank you for watching, and please do reach out to me if you have any follow-up questions. We'd be glad to serve you. Have a great day.